This is called the Score 1 glass cutter. And basically it's an Inland product, and it is still available through Inland on their website for about $79 plus shipping. This is what we used to use when cutting small pieces of glass for lampshades. So I'm going to just show you this. So it has a little lever here. You see that? You pick that up, and this lifts the blade up, lifts the cutter up. And you set it right there. Now that puts pressure on it. It's not holding it. This is your adjustment for how much pressure you want on the glass. And now we're just gonna turn the wheel here. And come on. I know it's so funny. This is a crazy, crazy glass cutter, but it does work, y'all. It does work. So then we would take that and just grind it and make it fit into the lamp piece. Do a little bit on this this clear piece of glass. And you can hear it. You can hear that thing just grinding away, but there it is. I'm gonna get my other pair of grozing pliers, and we're gonna go right there, just like that. Boom. Okay. So if we take the back of our ball cutter, but I like to use my index knuckle and my thumb and pull down and away. Use that knuckle right there, and if you got to break a bunch of pieces of glass, put some duct tape around that index knuckle right there, just like that. Boom! And go on about your business, my friend, because it's a lot of fun learning how to cut glass. All right, so we want to do it. You want to do a flower stem that's curved. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, flower stem that's curved.
And narrow.
Yes.
How's that look? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do with this is I'm going to cut the outside of my score. I took my running pliers and I ran my run down to right there. Like I'm talking about, in order to run the glass, you put your grozing pliers behind the run, your index knuckle under the glass, pull down, get behind it again, pull down and away, okay? Now, the part that you're having trouble with is this part right here. And unless you follow that run, or what I call chase the run, it's not going to work for you. Now you got all of this right here that you don't need, so you know what Ed's going to do with that? We're going to get rid of it. That is just in your way, going to be a hindrance to your score. Okay? We don't need all that. Now this is the side we cut first. We're going to take our grozing pliers. We're going to put our index knuckle underneath, and we're going to start the run. Okay, my run has started, and it's right here. Right here. I'm going to grab my index knuckle behind it. My growser's in front, right behind the run as well. I'm going to pull down, and it's not going to take that curve. There you go. Here's the thing. even on opaque glass, you can follow that score and you can follow that run. All right, just as in this piece of glass right here. Okay, this is an 83872, and you know what that means? That means there's a lot of colors stacked up in it. So I'm taking my run. Actually, I'm going to use 2 pair of grousing pliers. One right there, and one right there. Here we go. Down and away, everybody. All right. Now, if I was looking for water, we wouldn't find any.